Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete the automated assets in Google Ads. So for this you have to simply click on the start button from here, and then you have to simply type for the Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use, and then simply type in Google Ads in the top search bar. Then simply click on enter. After that you have to just simply go to the first website from here, and once you are here you have to just simply click on the sign in option or the start now option according to your preferences. And after that simply go to a page like this, and from here what you need to do is simply click on the campaigns icon in the left hand side, and from here you have to just simply expand the assets option, and here you have to simply click on the assets option from here. And after that you have to just simply click on the three dot option from in the right hand side, and then you have to just simply click on the account level automated assets from here. And once you are here, what you need to do is simply click on the three dot again, and now you have to just simply click on the advanced settings. And once you click on the advanced settings, it will simply take you to the account level automated asset settings here, and you can just simply turn it off all the options from here. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.